friends, this is Mokshitarya. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn some interesting facts about animals. Are you ready to learn fun facts? Okay, let's get into the video. 1. Octopus. Octopus have 3 hearts. 2 pumps blood to the gills, while the third pumps to the rest of the body. Do you know one of the hearts stops beating when the octopus swims? 2. Sharks. Sharks are older than trees. Yes, you heard it right. They have existed for over 400 million years. 3. Sloth. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. That is up to 40 minutes underwater. 4. Cows. Cows have best friends, and when they are separated, they experience stress. 5. Elephants. Elephants cannot jump, unlike mammals, due to their large size. 6. Dolphins. Dolphins have names for each other. They use unique whistles to identify and call each other. 7. Kangaroos. Kangaroos cannot walk backwards due to their large tails and powerful legs. 8. Chameleons. Chameleons can change color to communicate. They change color not only to blend in, but also to communicate emotions. Wow, what an interesting facts we learned. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. I will be back with an interesting video next time. Please do subscribe to my channel. Like and share to your friends too. Bye.